Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Monday, the trading week has just started and let's get right to the charts as we do have a lot of things to cover. Firstly, starting off with Bitcoin, you can see we dropped down basically at the bottom of this order block, but I do think that we front ran, we dropped to 74.56 and right here we have our bottom at 74.456. So basically for almost like $100 of a difference, we did not sweep the liquidity, which is currently remaining below the April lows, but we did come pretty close. And as of right now, I did say that if we do get down to this order block, we are due to see some relief coming. And right now Bitcoin is up, as you can see, around 6%. Ethereum is also right now up around 9%. We are basically bouncing, as you can see right here, from this level that I have drawn yesterday. Basically this is our summer range lows after breaking out from right here. It had quite a big of a correction, you can see around 35%, and if we measure from the all-time high, basically 56% is quite a lot. Solana also dropped below $100. Currently bouncing, same thing from its April lows, actually not from the summer lows, but pretty interesting to see. Stock market is having a nice rally today. You can see right here, basically, let me just enable my levels. We are currently pushing above the monthly, the weekly and the daily open levels. They are like this since it is like the second of the month. We after bouncing from, as you can see right here, our yearly open, and if we enable our pivots, you can see right here we are also pushing through the weekly pivot into the resistance one. Same thing for the Nasdaq, as you can see right here. The dollar is also pushing higher. If we look at this range that I have drawn right here, we are approaching the yearly open potentially as a retest. As you can see, the daily RSI got very oversold right here, hit our level for potentially area of interest for a bounce. Same thing happening to Bitcoin. You can see we got very oversold on that daily RSI, and price is having nice little relief. Basically Bitcoin is right now trading above the weekly open into the monthly open, as you can see, remaining above it, and my target could be 81.1k, which is where our EMA is sitting, and also our weekly pivot. A very nice area of confluence. Gold is also continuing to trend down after retesting, as you can see, the monthly, the weekly open as resistance. Currently from its all-time high, gold is down 21%, which is absolutely insane. I think silver is down like 40%, but I don't look at silver that much. Currently open interest is absolutely dead for Bitcoin. We don't have any open interest in the market, and as I have told you yesterday, while price is going down, open interest is coming down, CVD is coming down. This move is not sustainable and we are due for a bounce, which we do get right now, as you can see, 5%, and potentially we could go up towards 81k. We have liquidity at around 84k, but still, firstly, I want to see that weekly pivot potentially be broken as flipped into support. If we break it, then we could talk about the liquidity, which is sitting at 84.5k. But other than that, fear and greed index absolutely dropped towards the extreme fear zone, currently remaining at 15. Spot ETFs, we still don't have any data for today. Long versus shorts ratio, we still have, as you can see, more sellers in the market overall on the major exchanges. Funding rates are remaining negative, which is potentially bad, but I do believe that if we start seeing a bounce, we're going to see the funding rates start flipping back into the positive again. And let's see, we do have some news for today. We actually did have them. We got the US PMI data. We do have jobs tomorrow, so still no US government shutdown. As you can see, don't believe the rumors until you get like an official statement. So potentially we are going to see all of the news come out this week, which could bring us a lot of volatility, but it could be good volatility. We could see Bitcoin, as I said, go up towards the important levels that we have right here after bouncing from this support. This is basically the macro support. I have been talking about this level for quite a lot of time, but the monthly time frame looks absolutely brutal. As you can see right here, the last time that we've had something like this, basically a monthly time frame look like this, it was at the beginning of the bear market from 2021 all the way down towards 2022, the bottom. So we could be looking potentially at something like this right here, of course with some relief, but eventually we could be reaching all the way down towards maybe the lows of the summer range, which is basically below 50k, which is pretty insane to talk about right now. But if we start breaking those support levels and Bitcoin actually goes back into this summer range from 2024, it is a very possible for that scenario to play out. But as of right now, we are having a nice relief. I am targeting potentially we could go up, as you can see, 84k, which is where the liquidity is sitting right here, 84.4k, which is also where our new monthly pivot is sitting, which has not yet been retested. So pretty nice target. All the way from the bottom, we could be looking at 12.4% of a move. So yeah, guys, I do think this is pretty possible, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.